Hello everyone, it's Alexander coming at you again. I wanted to talk a little bit today. There's been some questions about the processes, the teams, good content, and tagging. So I'm going to have a two-part video series here for you. As you can see here, we're going to talk about team processes, what is good content, and what is tagging and why do we need to do it. First off, what is good content? And as Ed defines it, good content gives value to the reader who search for it. So you're teaching them something, giving them valuable facts, just helping them learn something they didn't know on their own. And this can be 300 words or more, 300 to 500 words, or even longer if you get ambitious, but that's your baseline, your benchmark to shoot for. And again, it tells them some interesting facts or teaches them something about that topic. Basically provide value to them. It doesn't have to be a novel or profound, but when you're researching a topic, just a simple research of a topic, even 30 minutes or an hour of researching a topic, you'll know more about it than 99% of the people reading about it. So convey some of that information you learned, and you'll have an authority status right off the bat, simply because you know more than they do. Here's an example of some good content. I set this up as a test site so you can take a look at it, see what I've done, check out the content. Also on the 30-Day Challenge blog, Mike Mendel has an excellent piece on good content. So the examples of good content are out there for you to model. And here's the one I did, howtogetapassport.blogspot.com. And again, the basic question you want to ask when you ask yourself, is this good content? Did I create good content? The basic question you want to ask that will determine that is, do my visitors learn something by reading my content? That's it. Do my visitors learn something by reading my content? When the answer is yes, that's good content. Simple, basic definition there. On to the second part, what is tagging? And this is basically, it is a process of online bookmarking. Think of it like the bookmarks you have on your desktop, only they're stored online, which is very convenient for you because you can access them from a library computer when you're traveling, any kind of public computer. You can access your bookmarks from any computer with internet access, and they're stored on the databases and servers of the sites like Delicious, Reddit, Netscape, those type of sites that allow bookmarking. Now the benefits of the tagging is really what you want to know so that you'll be able to do it. And tagging and bookmarking are basically synonyms for this process. So just think of that. The benefit of the tagging is that Google places high value on these links because the sites that you're doing the bookmarking on, like Delicious, Netscape, Reddit, they have high authority in Google's eyes, and it is a one-way link to your site. And Google is prizing one-way links at this time with their algorithm. So, again, the benefits are, and what you want to do to move your site up in rankings, the more high-quality one-way backlinks you have, the higher your ranking will be in Google. And again, the goal isn't to be in the number one position because that's where 60 to 65% of all the visitors will click on only that top ranked site and nothing else. And then there's a drop off to the 2 rank and the 3rd ranked site. But basically the top 3 get a lion's share of the traffic, with number 1 being the main one. So that's really your goal. Now these links do have to be done the right way, the Google way, the way that the Google algorithm wants them to be done. So we'll talk about that a little more. I've had Sarah Harris do some research for us. She's done an excellent job and got some basic data to come back. So far, preliminary data that I'll talk to you about in part 2 of this video. Show you how to do things the way that Google wants it right now and what is working.